Hi, I'm Dala, and today we're doing something absolutely insane. We are installing a big brake kit on this Nissan Leaf. Why? I don't know. Let's get started. Okay, here we have a pallet with all the parts that we're gonna need. We have a Ford Mustang rotors. These are from a 600 horsepower vehicle, so they will suit this just fine. Then we have the calipers. These are from the G35 or Nissan 370Z. I painted them red because red means faster. I've done some rust proofing also on the rotors. I painted them black here in the middle and on the edges so they don't rust as quickly. Then we have some other supporting bits that we're gonna need. 5.1 brake fluid, some new brake pads, brake pad mounting hardware, new banjo bolts, but also some CNC cut adapter plates to get the rotors to fit properly. All of this is available on GitHub. I'll put the links down in the description. Massive thanks to Derek for figuring this out and being the first person to do this. I'm just following in his footsteps now with this upgrade. So let's mount it on the car. Wow, just look at the size difference. Old and new. Nice. Wow, these brakes are amazing and they look even better. Wow, this is so unnecessary. I think most Leaf owners would never have to do this, but yeah, I just had to try it out. Actually, what's more important for improving brake performance is probably your tires. Those are going to be the limiting factor. These big brakes, they help dissipate heat better, so they don't overheat as easily. But yeah, this is a completely bonkers upgrade, and I recommend it, I guess, but it's also quite unnecessary. But yeah, we're actually not done with the braking system. I'm gonna do some follow-up videos on how to improve the performance of the braking system. I have a few tricks up my sleeves. Leave a comment down below if you think you know what I'm about to try next. Let's see if anyone can guess it. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.